Unboxing and trying new Colado hazelnut spread.
And yes, I'm using my daughter's barrette. Let's try this. So this is Nucolato. I hope I pronounced it right. This is a hazelnut spread with cocoa, and it has 0 palm oil, it's gluten-free, and no added sugar.
Oh, my mom.
I like it.
I want to try.
You want to try?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to try.
Come on. You like it?
Yes.
It's good.
Yes.
Well, she likes it. I like it. You want more?
Yeah.
Alright, so my first time trying this. It's good. It's good. And I'm not a fan of hazelnut spread from, you know, the leading competitor, but this is actually good.